So yet another brand here in the workshop here today at Carbonwurks, namely Dahler. So these guys are Swiss, been in the game best part of 25 years now. We've worked closely with them to become one of their few UK stockists and distributors. So Dahler work with all things BMW to try and improve things both on a technological level but also latterly a mechanical level. So this here is actually one of their exhaust flap controller kits, which we'll go into in a second, but they also do tuning boxes, accelerator pedal map controller boxes, anti-theft devices, as well as latterly suspension and wheels. So they cover a lot of areas under the BMW banner. So onto today's fitting, we've got this Dahler exhaust valve control box. This is relevant to a number of BMW models with plug and play. So it intercepts the feed from the car, sits in between that and the original exhaust valve controllers. But the key point is it allows the exhaust flap to go fully wide open as opposed to the 70% that you get from BMW as factory. So as you can see, it's a very straightforward kit. You've got the control box there, set of wiring and OE plug connectors, which means it's a straight direct plug and play fit. All that remains is for me to get it on the car and tidy it up out of the way. But that's about that. So like I say, this is the first go with Dahler. We're looking forward to seeing the results. Hopefully you guys will appreciate the upgrade that comes with this car, and stay tuned for some of their other products hopefully coming through the workshop soon.